Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from PayPal without bank account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, and then when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. If you of course do not have a profile guys, that is not a problem. You can always go and register to PayPal for free. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the home, we have the send button, the wallet, activity and help, we have the send and request, and a lot of different options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw money from PayPal without a bank account. So you need to go have, of course, a paper check. You can request a physical check from PayPal to receive your money. You can take that by going to the help center in the upper bar, as you can see. As you can see, the fifth option is help. Go to the message center or contact them and ask them for a paper check. You can have a PayPal debit card. You can apply for the PayPal debit card, which you can use to withdraw money at an ATM. You have mobile money. You can transfer your PayPal balance to your mobile money account, such as M-Pesa or MTN mobile money. Money exchanges. You can exchange your PayPal balance for cash with a trusted money exchanger. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.